Hey there, looking for a gaming PC that won't wreck your wallet, but still handles the latest titles like a champ? You're not alone. A good budget rig can be the difference between buttery smooth gameplay and throwing your controller across the room. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best budget gaming PCs, machines that offer serious performance without the premium price tag. From esports-ready desktops to all-around solid builds, these picks cover a range of gamers and budgets. Not every setup is built for every player, so we've included options for different needs, whether you care more about upgradability, graphics, or just raw speed out of the box. And yeah, all the best pricing is linked below, so you're not left digging through sketchy deals. Stick around to the end, you might just find the perfect setup you've been looking for. Let's get into it. This first PC claims to have extraterrestrial origins. That's right, it's the Alienware Aurora R16. It represents a bold step forward for Alienware, redefining its iconic sci-fi aesthetic with a sleek, understated design that's ideal for both dedicated gamers and anyone else seeking a versatile PC. Balancing power and practicality, the Aurora R16 delivers impressive 1440p gaming performance, whisper-quiet operation, and user-friendly features, all while maintaining the signature Alienware flair. And it's this list's best gaming PC for most people. At first glance, the Aurora R16's minimalist design is a refreshing shift. The compact chassis is 40% smaller than its predecessor, yet it improves airflow and reduces noise levels significantly, making it the definitive pick if quiet is a priority, unlike the CyberPowerPC or the HP Victus. The Aurora has Alien FX RGB lighting and has customizable zones around the front panel, power button, and rear fan, adding a touch of personality without overwhelming the aesthetic. With its sturdy build and smart layout, the Aurora R16 offers a premium feel that aligns with its performance capabilities. Under the hood, the Aurora R16's a powerhouse. You're able to add an Intel Core i7-13700F and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, which can effortlessly handle demanding games and multitasking. Whether it's pumping out triple-digit frame rates in 1440p or tackling light 4K gaming, this machine's built to impress. For anyone looking to dive into esports or AAA titles at 1080p, the base model with an RTX 4060 still packs plenty of punch. With 32 GB of RAM and dual 1 TB solid-state drive, this setup makes sure that you've got smooth performance and ample storage for games, media, and projects. Alienware's also prioritized convenience and connectivity. The Aurora R16 boasts an array of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet. Along with intuitive software like the Alienware Command Center for performance customization, it's easy to access internals, making upgrades and maintenance a breeze, a feature that's especially appealing for enthusiasts. The Aurora R16 excels in delivering a robust, mid-range experience. Combining a refined design, outstanding performance, and thoughtful features, this gaming PC strikes a perfect balance of style and substance. For anyone seeking a reliable and versatile gaming desktop, the Alienware Aurora R16 sets the bar high. Next is the MSI Codex R2, a fantastic option for gamers looking to dive into PC gaming without needing to take out a payday loan. With its attractive price point, eye-catching design, and capable hardware, this gaming rig's built to deliver an enjoyable gaming experience at 1080p and even 1440p resolution. Housed in a cool mid-tower chassis, the Codex R2 embraces the RGB-forward aesthetic gamers love. Its tempered glass side panel showcases the vibrant glow of 4 120mm RGB fans, while the sturdy build and clean internal layout ensures a polished look. The case is both functional and future-proof, offering plenty of airflow and ample room for upgrades, including extra M2 slots, SATA ports, and PCIe expansion slots. The Codex R2 specifications strike an excellent balance for budget-conscious gamers. Powered by an Intel Core i5-14400F processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. This system handles modern games with ease, delivering high frame rates at 1080p and solid performance at 1440p. The 16 GB of DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 650-watt 80+ gold power supply provides reliable energy efficiency. The system's Wi-Fi 7 support and ultra-fast networking options make sure you've got a lag-free gaming experience, making it a solid choice for competitive players. MSI's thoughtful design extends to its software suite. The MSI Center app includes useful tools like Mystic Light for RGB customization, hardware monitoring, and fan control. With minimal pre-installed bloatware, users can enjoy a clean and efficient experience from the moment they power up the system. While it excels as a budget gaming PC, the Codex R2 also offers significant room for growth. For those craving more power, MSI offers upgraded configurations featuring the Intel Core 700F processor, and an RTX 4060 Ti GPU. These enhancements make the Codex R2 a flexible choice for both entry-level gamers and those seeking to enhance their system down the line. In short, the MSI Codex R2 combines style, performance, and upgradability into a package that's hard to beat at its price. It's an outstanding entry point into PC gaming, earning its place as a top pick in the budget gaming PC category. Now get ready, make sure to strap in your seatbelt, and put on your helmet. It's time for the HP Victus. The HP Victus 15's a budget-friendly gaming laptop designed for gamers and everyday users who want solid performance without spending a fortune. With its stylish design, practical features, and competitive price, it's an accessible entry point for anyone stepping into PC gaming, and that's why I've knighted it as the best gaming PC for the money. One of the standout features of the Victus 15 is its affordability. It's available at a far lower cost than competitors like the Alienware Aurora R16. The Victus also comes equipped with a 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor and a 512GB solid-state drive, making sure you've got smooth multitasking and fast boot times. The addition of a 144Hz Full HD display is also a pleasant surprise at this price point, giving you a smoother visual experience for gaming and media consumption. The design's both practical and stylish, with a dark gray, mica silver chassis that includes slim side bezels for a modern aesthetic. The 15.6-inch non-touch display delivers sharp details and good contrast, making it well-suited for everyday use. While the 250 nit brightness, or 250 times the brightness of a candle, might not excel in outdoor settings, it's adequate for indoor environments. The Victus 15 also includes an ergonomic keyboard with responsive typing and inverted T-shaped arrow keys, enhancing usability for work and play. Connectivity is a strong suit for the Victus 15, featuring USB Type-A and Type-C ports, an HDMI output, an Ethernet jack, and an SD card slot. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and reliable internet connectivity for gaming or streaming. Additionally, HP's Omen Gaming Hub app allows users to optimize performance and manage network traffic for an enhanced gaming experience. While the GTX 1650 GPU may not rival newer RTX models, it still delivers playable frame rates at medium settings in many popular games. The Victus 15's ideal for esports titles like Rainbow Six Siege, where it takes full advantage of the high refresh rate display. The HP Victus 15 stands out as a value-packed option for gamers on a tight budget. Its appealing combination of design, usability, and performance makes it a solid choice for anyone looking to balance price with essential gaming features. Alright, next up is the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 Gen 8. Easily one of the strongest, best overall options in the budget gaming space. It offers the kind of performance and build quality you usually don't see at this price point. With smooth 1080p gameplay, upgrade-ready internals, and a sleek case with customizable RGB lighting, it's a great choice for anyone looking to jump into PC gaming without overspending or compromising. This rig hits that sweet spot between affordability and long-term potential. Under the hood, the Legion Tower 5's equipped with an Intel Core i5-11400F processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU. While not cutting-edge, this hardware combination handles most modern games smoothly at 1080p. Titles like Far Cry New Dawn and Grand Theft Auto 5 run at respectable frame rates, averaging 70 frames per second. While newer, graphically demanding games may require tweaking settings, the Legion Tower 5 delivers a satisfying gaming experience for its price range. The design of the Legion Tower 5 stands out with its glass side panel and vibrant RGB lighting that illuminates the spacious interior. This not only adds visual appeal, but also makes upgrading components straightforward. With ample internal space, adding extra RAM or upgrading the GPU is hassle-free. The build quality of the machine's sturdy, yet light enough to move when needed. Connectivity's solid, with 7 USB ports, including USB-C, as well as HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet options. While more USB ports would be welcome, this configuration meets the needs of most users. The inclusion of a fast solid-state drive provides quick load times and smooth operation, a feature not always guaranteed in this price category. While the bundled keyboard and mouse are functional, investing in dedicated peripherals will enhance the overall experience. Additionally, the pre-installed McAfee antivirus can be intrusive, but it's easily replaced or disabled. In summary, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 Gen 8 is a well-rounded option for budget-conscious gamers seeking a reliable 1080p performance. Its upgrade-friendly design, strong performance, and appealing price point make it a great entry into PC gaming. Now for the CyberPowerPC GX IV-R8080A38. A fantastic PC where the maker obviously was inspired by their license plate when coming up with a name. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme delivers an outstanding gaming experience with high-end components that make it a standout choice for gamers and power users. Packed with an Intel Core i9-14900KF processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU. This machine is designed for performance, enabling seamless multitasking, stunning visuals, and smooth gameplay. The Intel Core i9-14900KF processor boasts 24 cores, offering remarkable speed and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or streaming, the CPU handles demanding tasks effortlessly, making sure you've got lag-free performance. Its Turbo Boost technology provides additional power during intensive operations, making this PC an excellent choice for heavy workloads and multitasking. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU, which supports ray tracing and deep learning supersampling for hyper-realistic visuals and smooth frame rates. This GPU excels in rendering immersive experiences in AAA titles and VR gaming. It also handles 4K gaming with ease, offering crisp and vibrant visuals that elevate your gaming sessions. Equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this system makes sure you've got exceptional multitasking capabilities, whether you're running multiple applications, streaming, or managing heavy workloads. The fast data transfer rates of DDR5 RAM keep everything running smoothly. The 2TB PCIe Gen 4 solid-state drive gives you lightning-fast load times for games and applications, while also providing ample storage space for large game libraries and media files. The Gamer Xtreme VR's design is as impressive as its performance. Its customizable RGB lighting and easy-to-upgrade chassis allow users to personalize their setup. The system also features built-in Wi-Fi and runs on Windows 11 Home, giving you the latest features for gaming and productivity. Overall, the CyberPowerPC GX-IVR8080 A38 is a powerful, future-ready system that comes with a future-ready name. It caters to gamers and professionals alike, with a combination of top-tier components, sleek design, and upgradability, ensuring it remains a strong contender for anyone seeking a high-performance gaming PC. Alright guys, that wraps it up. If this helped you find a solid gaming PC, or saved you from wasting money on the wrong one, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel and lets us keep making more videos like this. And don't forget, if you're ready to grab one of these bad boys, check the links in the description for the best prices. We've done the homework, so you don't have to. That's all for now.